Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I am here with the hashtag Let's Get Organized 2022 that I'm hosting. And this is video number 4. So I'm going to put that, oops, a daisy. Put that aside for now. Put this over here. Let me put everything back the way it goes before everything gets lost. And we don't want nothing to get lost. So I'm going to attempt to organize this and maybe another bin on my desk. So let's empty this here. See? Well, y'all can't see this. So I'll put that up there. And all of this here needs to be organized. This. We're going to take this and put our markers and stuff in it. Okay. Markers. What else can we, this can go in there. That goes up there. These here can go in another bin. This is just an envelope, so we can put some scraps in here. Not that. These can go in here. Not this. This can go. This can go. Not that. This is from when I had my surgery. I want to save that for my memory book. I'm going to put all of these in here. Well, if I can manage to get it right in there. That can go in another book. That is something else. That goes in my medical book. This goes over here. That can go up there. Recycle. That in here. That in the recycle. So far, this is what we have. These, I don't know yet. So I'm going to put those in here. Okay. Put that to the side. These go in my car. This goes up here. This can go in the scrap envelope. Here's another scrap. This is a canceled postage stamp. This can all go under recycle. Here's another canceled postage stamp. This I have to keep. So, I have another container I want to attempt to organize to see how we can get it going. So, let's pull this here out. And I see markers. That tool can go in there. Let's pull all this out. Okay. All of this out. A gelato can go in there. These can go in there. Here's a metal bookmark that I can use for a ruler. Paper clip up there. Another paper clip here. Here's a butterfly. Butterfly, 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 fly. This can go in our tools bin. This can go in our tools. This can go in our tools. All this here can go in our tools bin. This can go, don't know yet. This is a clip, so I'm going to put that up there. So, oh, this is perfectly in here. Okay. So we got our scrap one. Here's a bookmark. This card can go somewhere else. Then we have this bookmark can go over here in our supplies bin. We have a little scraper that can go in our supplies bin. This don't know yet. We have a tag here and a, what is this, journaling cards that can go in here. This can go in my project folder. This can go as a stencil. This can stay in here because I'm using a lot of stuff like that. These can go in our bucket here. Okay. Let me move this to the side so I can get on camera and show y'all what's going on here. Okay, these can go in here for when I need it. That can go in the garbage. We have a post-it that can go in here. This goes somewhere else. This can go in here. That goes in the recycle bin. In case we need that, we put that's gonna go somewhere else though. Here's some scraps here. We can put over here. Okay. That goes there. That goes up there. This is a template that I'm going to be using soon. That goes in there. This is a backing that I'm going to be using. We can keep that there. We have this. Oh, this is some journaling stuff that I need to put in my journal. And this can go here. I have an idea for these, so these are going to stay in here. Here's some more journaling cards, but mini version. Here's another butterfly. I'm going to put that in the little scrap envelope back there. Here's a button that's going to go in the scrap. Metal, we can put that in the scrap for me to use later. And I have some red line score tape that can go in here. My prayer cards can go in my Bible. Here's a ornament I made that's going to go in my projects binder. Here, I don't know, remember what this is. Oh, a card that needs to be finished. This can go over there. Tools. And this is organized here. So we can put that back over here for now. So now we have all of this. These are some dangles that I made. And I want to hang them on here. Like so. And hang them on my thing up here. So when I need them, I can see them. This is some garland. So that's going to go in my tools. So that goes in my tools. This can go somewhere else. This can go in here. This recycle. I'm going to make a little scraps for twine and ribbon scrap thing here. And put that in our container there. Rubber bands can go in their bucket. Bells are going to go there. This is going in our tools. This, I don't know yet. So we're going to put it in our tools because we can use it for things. These are going to go in things that are handmade for my projects. So put that to the side until I can find me a container for projects. So this goes in my project. This goes in my Bible. These can go in my Bible. This can go in my tools. What is this? I don't know what this is. Ow. Well, I think I just found out what they are. Oh, these are nails, but they can go out. This goes in the other in my other room. Well, in my kitchen with my other organized wires. So we're gonna put that to the side. This we're gonna put in our bin over here because I'm gonna be using it in a project soon. This can go in our tools bin to the side. This is a little light that you turn on like so, and you can put it on your finger. So that's gonna go in my tools bin. My little cancel stamp thing can go to the side. This goes in my car. And we are done. We did 2 containers, guys. 2. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, I'm going to put these in my scrap envelope to the side. So if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. And hit that big red subscribe button down below and sub. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, please be kind, be crafty, be safe, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on the budget. And bye-bye for now. Well, if I can find my mouse. Bye.